Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to create Boomerang on Snapchat. The process is really easy. I'll get straight to the point. Let's get started. So first of all, open Snapchat on your phone and be sure you're logged into your account. This is the camera of Snapchat. Now to create a boomerang, you'll have to capture this snap first. That is, you'll have to capture the video first. So let's do that. Once you capture the video, you'll see a bunch of icons at the right corner of the screen. Among those icons, you can see the last option and it is for boomerang. It's not exactly a boomerang icon, but it will help you create that effect. It's called the loop icon. And by default, the loop icon has the number 1 in it. That means the video will be played just once. If you tap twice on the icon, then the video will be looped. Here you can see the infinity icon, and that means the video will be looped infinite times. So now the video will have the boomerang effect. After you do this, you can save this snap to your gallery or send it to your friends. Now to send it to your friend, you can tap on the next option at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now you can send the snap to your friends, whoever you want to. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.